With Christian, we are walking by, and Christian is like, "That's a lot of cars," and I look up, and I'm just like, "Holy shit, that is a lot of cars."
Hey, should we go up there to check out the fucking? Can you see the corkscrew from there?
Yeah, I think so. Let's do that. Now this is some Forza Horizon type of shit, Christian. Damn, beautiful. Yeah. This thing is beautiful. I like the color too. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's crazy, all sorts of cars. How much cars you got? Like just cars as far as you can see. All around park. It's crazy. Huge thing. It's very crazy. Oh damn, 89% on the GoPro until we sat down. Charge up. Damn. Oh shit, question. Damn. Crazy. You know, you can't tell me Gridlife is probably one of the coolest, like, not grassroots series, but you know, it's not all just professionals. It's different leagues of racers. They drive multiple series. I think one of them drives in 3 different series, which is, I would say, it's really challenging. Like when we came with the Evasive last year, I was driving his drift car. He was driving the S2 RS, and also he was driving Spoon's Honda Civic Type R. So that's again 3 different disciplines that I was doing last year. Damn. That shit. That's pretty cool, huh? I take a green one, please. Thank you.
Enjoy.